Hapshi. I've had her since I was 2 years old. And guess who got her for me? Anshu! I still have her. She is so cute. So I heard you're having a baby. I want it to be a girl. A very sweet girl. A very nice girl that will hug her mama all day long and sing sweet little songs at night.
Are you sure you don't want someone to be naughty? Come on.
Boys are naughty. I was so fond of her that I went and got a twin Hapshi. And now this is Hapshi and Hapsha.
Crazy. Mad obsessive dancer.
Bubbly.
Fun.
Lively.
Adorable.
Full of life.
Fun loving. Crazy.
It's crazy.
Mommy.
Fun. Case.
Full power Dadima.
Not so innocent.
Mimicry expert.
Innocent.
Fun.
Fun loving.
Bubbly.
Obsessive compulsive. Crazy.
The most lovable person.
Cleanliness freak.
There's this one night that we spent at her place, and I remember we played Pictionary, and at 2 in the night we were out driving around in the town looking for an open barista. It was just one of the greatest nights.
Once I went to Bombay without Tripul, just 4 of us we were there, and first time I took all these girls to a disc. That was the most amazing evening of our life, of my life, and we had really good time.
Kajal, Anshu and I used to go for art class to Parik Mahal, which is Anshu's neighbouring building. We had art class on the 4th floor. So once we finished class, we were coming down the stairs and Anshu decided to ring all the doorbells and run away. We were running away. One auntie comes to the window and she starts screaming, "Come back, you naughty children, come back!" Kajal and I are running. Anshu standing there and staring at the auntie. And she's looking at us, staring at the auntie, looking at us. And we're like, "Anshu, come!" And then she came running. So that's the craziest thing.
Okay, so obviously the iconic legendary time when you made us bunk our tennis class and took us to Ghoda Garden to play that, and we were like your puchadis. We used to just follow you everywhere and do whatever you did. All those times when you made me run behind your cycle and you took Nisha backseat. And what other fun memories? Okay, so why I said innocent in the first is because of this one particular memory that I associate with you. That is when during the mango season, you used to chadao mangoes to Ganpati ji in your house, and we all used to pray, and Nisha and I were like your bhakt, like your followers, and you were some Guruji and we all three used to pray to God so that our parents would allow us to stay in your house. I mean, come on, we could have just told them we are staying in Masi's house, but we used to all go pray, and we used to chadao mangoes. So that's why I think that's really innocent.
Actually, when we were traveling to that south, that Bangalore and Ooty, every 15 minutes she used to say "Hago aiye," and every 15 minutes the taxi used to stop and she used to go out. Never used to do anything. We used to come back and had a good thrashing from Renomasi every time.
Staying at your house, cooking, making fudge, disastrous recipes.
We had really fun at the cricket ground, and I miss her those super moments when she used to shout loudly "Supra, Supra" at the ground and demotivate the opponents, and we get super motivated. We missed her in one of the matches, but it was fun. And another one will be as well. Obviously, that will be the craziest night we had in London after the Rising Stars. That was the post Rising Stars celebration. That was awesome.
The time that we spent, during our Rising Stars nights, you can say, and it was so much fun. I think those 4 days were the best days for me in this country, and to have so many lovely people around us all the time, and the fun that we had and how much we drank and whatnot we did.
And there at a sister place, and second when we went to Taj for an evening dance, and we danced like crazy on the Dhol beat. So a lot of fun things we've done together.
as a mother, she will be a beautiful one and her child will be blessed to have her, for the only reason that when she'll make the child study, all she'll flip the page and say, come on, next, this is not important, next. And so you know what I'm talking about, right?
Come down the boat, man. I'm sure Anshu's going to be a wonderful mom. I think she's going to be more like a friend and not really a mom. I don't feel like a mom to Kamakshi either. So we've had a lot of fun with Kamakshi, me, Anshu, Meghna, and I think she's going to be exactly the same. So the best of your what is awaiting you in life is yet to come.
I think she's going to be the funnest mom ever. She'll be right next to the kid, pulling pranks and being naughty. So that's what we all love the best about Anshu.
She'll be a great mother, she'll be a very good friend, and she'll be the best mom.
She would be an amazing mother, a logical, fun to be with. She'll be a complete mother.
I know you're going to be a fantastic mom. I will see you through it and I'm here for you.
Very sweet.
Just like she is mine today, but I am really jealous that the love will be shared with the newbie now.
Anshu, I already know what kind of mother you will be. You'll be just like your mother, loving, caring, attentive, and extremely loving, I would say. That is the first thing which comes to my mind.
Lots of love, take care, happiness always, and best of luck.
Anshu will make an adorable mother. She will be very, very liberal, loving, caring, and I think she will be like my mother, like Vinay Mom, Dolly Masi. She'll be exactly like her.
A message for Anshu would be that I know people grow and change as life unfolds, but I'd still say that try and keep your inner child alive and love yourself, be happy, and here's wishing Manish and you both happy.
Do your best, take care of your health and the little one, and I love you, my baby, who's gonna deliver a baby. Love you both.
Just keep doing what you're doing. I think it's the best thing that you do, and what you're doing, that's what is called life. So keep living and keep enjoying the way you are, and best of luck with your expanded family that would be.
All I want to say is that I love you and I am praying for you every day, and I will see you soon.
Mrs. Anshu, lots of love, and God bless you. Stay healthy and keep shining like today. Super mom.
Be like a mother, which your mother is, and I'm sure your child will be as good and as sweet as you are. So all the best. Take care. Lots of love from Delhi and from me. I hope to see you very soon.
My Khandala, the towel scene where she burst out crying because we were trying to pull the towel off her.
अंशु, मैंने तेरी बहुत याद आती है। अभी इधर से कुछ भेजने का है। बेटा अपना ध्यान रखना। मनीष कैसा है? मनीष ठीक है?
Okay, so we love Anshu and we love Anshu. Anyways, jokes apart, Anshu, we love you loads and we can't wait for the little bundle of joy, and this is for both Anshu and Manish. We are really excited.
Waiting for the little baby.
We are waiting for the little baby. I'm going to be super excited if it's a girl or a boy, and we are going to be on top of the world.
And he needs to be a Manchester United.
That I'm sure Karan's going to come and make sure he's a Manchester United.
April.
Because he's coming in April to watch our match, and I'm coming in April to spend time with the little one and with you. Looking forward. Love you.
You know, Manish, the thing which really strikes me about Anshu is the fact that she's one person who does what she wants to do. You know, everybody in life, they dream about so many things, but they don't have the guts to do it. And she's the only person I really know who probably thinks of a thing later and does it before that. So I think that's really special. and I think I'm so glad that she's met someone like you, because I see that none of those things which she had as a kid and as she was growing up has changed. She's exactly the same as she was. So she's one lucky girl to have you.
The first few months will be bad, but once it's good, it's really good. So don't worry. You have good days ahead of you and you're going to do a good job. You're going to be a great mom and I'm so excited for you.
Hey Anshu, this is France, top of the mountain in Marigold. Very happy New Year to you, and most importantly, I wish you the best baby in the world, the creatively the most amazing, but at the most humble and the most amazing kid in the world. Who? Good luck. Just say Anshu, good luck with your pregnancy.
Good luck, Anshu.
Love you,
love you, Anshu. Good luck, brother.
Good luck, brother. No, good luck, sister.
Sister!
Good luck, sweetheart.
Sorry, sister.
Have a great year, and I really wish God gives you the most happiest baby in the world. Bye bye.
Hi Anshu, hi Manish, and hi to everyone present out there. I met Anshu 5 years back in Peterborough, and one of the first things that we did was to go to the local pub, and there has been no looking back after that. We have had some great time together, fun crazy moments, be it midnight shopping, singing cheesy Hindi songs in the tube, dancing in the middle of the road. Sorry Anshu, the secret is out, and the beautiful French Riviera trip that we took together. Most of the details are censored, so all I would say is hum mujrim nahi hai. And as Anshu, you and Manish embark on the next exciting phase of your life, I want to wish both of you the very best, and you are going to make for an awesome mom. Yes, and before I forget, I also wanted to include this picture which reminded me so much of you. Oops. It says happiness is hiking with someone small on your back. So this is how it is going to be for you and Manish. You, Manish and the little one having super fun on all your exotic trips. So all the best. Love you loads Anshu. Miss you and enjoy. Bye.